Flexible and rigid endoscopes are inherently challenging to clean due to their complex design. Paired together with a limited inventory and a high demand for turnover, and you have an even greater need for an efficient and safe method for reprocessing scopes. Once the exterior and interior channels have been manually cleaned, connect the Flexipump independent flushing system to injector and auxiliary tubing to flush channels. The Flexipump ensures copious flushing with the proper amounts of cleaning solutions. Additionally, pressure relief valves protect the delicate interior channels of scopes during the flushing process. For more information about Pure Processing's rigid and flexible endoscope cleaning solutions, please contact us at 877-718-6868 or by visiting our website, where you can find more information about the products used in our video.